if anyone of you wants to join the programming, then you can install Visual Studio Code and this live share plugin, and then I can share the editor with you, and so that you can do the writing. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can get started. If any one of you wants to join in writing code, then just write a message on the chat and or join the discussion. Turn on your microphone, and then I can give you give you control of the text editor. But I find that when learning new programming languages, the easiest way is that you are working in a group, writing some little programming exercise, and then as long as there is one person in the group who knows the language, then that is enough. Okay, so Anita, you just installed it, so I will create a link for joining the editor. So I think if you click that link, then you should be able to open this project.
Yeah, I think I have to sign in with GitHub first, so I need to go and find my key.
Okay. Yeah, it requires GitHub or Microsoft login. Okay, but I can maybe give an introduction to the Clojure language. So it looks like this. But I think normally when you write in like JavaScript or something, your code looks usually like something like this. That okay, you name of the function, then parentheses, and then all the arguments separated by comma. But in Clojure, it's a bit the syntax is different, so that this opening parenthesis goes to the beginning, and we don't need semicolons, and we don't need commas. So this is how a function call in Clojure looks like. So instead of instead of writing one plus 2, the function first, and the parentheses mark the function call, and then if we execute that, then okay, 1 plus 2 is 3, but there could also be like more parameters. So add all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 together, that's 15. So that's pretty much the most Clojure code. Then we have maps. They have some keys and values, and then we have lists. It's just brackets, and there can be any stuff in the list or vector. And then there are also sets, well, which make sure that all the values are unique. So if we try to put there can be only one of each value in a set, and that's like 70% of the Clojure language in there. And in this situation, so that a good exercise is the poker hands kata. So if you open this first link, let's see if I can share it. So we do an exercise of that when we have 5 cards, then the program tells that what kind of a hand it is. So if it's these cards, it's a straight flush, but if it's something else, then it's something else. If there is no poker combination that gives points, then it's a high card, in which case the highest card, in this case king, is the value of that hand. And let's switch back to the editor, so you can have this. Keep the Wikipedia about poker hands as a reference.
I think I'm in it now.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I see your cursor in there. Yeah, so
Also, Kimmy Fenton. Hi.
I will start the test runner. So it will run all the tests whenever the file is saved. Okay, now the test is failing. Okay, change that and save. Okay, now the test is passing. And so we are solving the poker hands problem that we need to give. When we give the program a list of 5 cards, and then it tells that what kind of a poker hand it is.
Okay. Why does it expect 0?
What do you say?
Is this the whole test?
Yeah. So this is just a comment name for a test. So, and okay, the assertion is the is, and then whatever we want to calculate. So asserting that 1 plus 2 is 3.
Yeah, that should pass, right?
Yeah. And if I make it fail, then you see on the terminal.
Yeah.
Have I set the
Oh,
term?
I wasn't scrolled to the bottom. Okay, now
Okay.
I see.
Okay, now I see. Okay.
Yeah, I think so. So it says expected 1, actual -1, actual +2.
So, absolutely. Okay, that's like it shows like an if my minus red for.
Okay, so let's
Since
make it pass, right? Can I do that?
Yep.
Wait, oh, I'm not editing it.
Okay.
Do I need to go? Oh, there we go.
Can you edit it? Okay, good.
Oh, I don't know what's happening. I can delete, but I can't insert. What? Only
Yeah.
delete is working. Let me try.
I wonder if it's some.
Is it like Vim bindings or something?
No, it should be normal. Can you type it?
Interesting.
Can you type anywhere anything?
Oh, anything I type, delete. Oh, I can type now. Okay,
Okay.
sorry, I deleted it. Can I undo? Undo. Okay, so let's try. I don't know what I did, but start. Did I delete something important?
No.
Oh, and it runs tests immediately.
Yeah, when you save the file.
Okay, so if I do that, it should fail. Yeah,
Yep.
and then I do that. Passes. Cool.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start thinking about the poker hands problem. So first we need to decide how do we represent those cards. So I can write here. In Clojure, we usually use maps for everything. So the cards, they have a suit, and then that would be like, let's see what would be. Let me find the Wikipedia article about the
I play poker.
Okay, so is it? It's hearts is one.
Yep.
And
Hearts.
then rank. Let's say is numbers 4 to 9, and then we have Jack and Queen and Ace.
And 10.
Oh yeah, 10 was also included. So let's have a list of all those. Spade.
Spades. Should we be consistent in the plurals or not? Yeah. Spades, clubs, and diamonds.
Diamonds. And then remove that. I don't know, maybe it sounds better. And then the ranks. So we have Ace, Queen, Jack.
What does the colon do? Does that mark strings? Or?
It's a keyword. It's like string, except that equal comparison is quick.
Okay.
So those are all the things that we have, and maybe from these, based on these, we can generate all the cards. Let me start using this for the cards. So let's say the suit is would be heart, and then rank Ace. And we have a list of all the cards then.
Okay, so that should fail.
Yeah, it should fail.
Yeah, so we expected Ace of Hearts. We actually got nil. Okay.
Yeah. And I think we expect that this would be cards. So for this we can use the for comprehension. Where the syntax is like this: for every x of x's, and then we return some value. And there can be also multiple of these.
Okay.
So if we iterate
For every suit and for every rank.
then in here we can return something that has all the suits and all the ranks.
Yes. Right.
Those.
Cool.
So okay, that's like now a domain language of cards.
Yeah.
But then the real thing is that when we have 5 cards, then we need to have the program tell that what kind of a hand it is.
Right, so like pair or high card or 2 pairs or 3 of a kind, that kind of.
Yeah. So can you now maybe write a test for that?
Might need a bit of help to get started.
Yeah. So okay, let's go to the end and create a new dev test.
Okay. Also, Kimmy, if you want to have a go driving, then please shout. I don't want to dominate. Okay, what's the test called?
Let's say hands test or.
Hands test.
And then maybe let's first check the case. Let's see, it's Wikipedia of high card, which means that there's no.
How do I do a comment?
The word is testing and then a string, a function called testing.
Or like within a brackets?
Yes.
Okay, and then so this is going to be high card.
Yeah.
Oh, to do a string though, do I need it to be in quotes?
Yes.
Okay.
And then inside that, so that indent the assertion inside that testing book.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like you don't have a specific plugin that makes those curly braces automatically. So in there, then let's see, is equals to, and let's see, we want to call a function and then it returns something. So let's see, maybe let's call the function evaluate hand.
That's a good name. Evaluate dash hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we give it a list, so square brackets, and then five cards.
Right. So to define a card, do I need curly braces?
Yes.
Okay, and I do like suit. I don't know, spade. Oh wait, and I need the rank to be 7 of spades. Let's check that it. I don't know if you give it.
Yeah, we can try that. Click on there.
I could. Do you have suggestions on what the cards should be?
Well, I can check the example from Wikipedia. Okay, so let's say Queen of Spades. And let's say four of hearts.
Thank you, Kimmy, fixing my errors. 4 of hearts.
3 of hearts. King of diamonds.
2, did you say?
Let's make it a king.
King.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I did it again. I can fix it. Yeah.
And then we need to we need to add to the assertion the thing that we are asserting. So
Oh, yeah.
let's say that it would return a map.
So the expectation, does that go first or second?
Expectation is first.
Okay. Okay, so a map, you said, it's double brackets?
That's good. Curly braces.
Curly braces.
And let's say it would return key. The key would be category, and the value would be high card. Both
Okay. So what did he say? The
category.
category high card.
Yeah.
Now, would you do it like this?
Yes.
And where does the king go? Or do we just that enough?
Yeah, I think that's good enough for now.
Okay.
Let me just run the whole format. So let's see. Now it's error is probably that the evaluate hand doesn't exist.
Yeah.
So let me show the syntax for getting a function.
Oh, right, we don't have any methods
functions.
yet. Oh, function, sorry. Functional programming function.
Yeah. So the define is so we have def for defining constants, and define function. Usually fn is shorthand for function. So this is the syntax for defining function, and then here we have the list of arguments.
Okay.
And if we just whatever is the last line, is the thing that will be whatever is on the last line will be returned.
So we can easily make this pass.
Yes, we can hard code it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's just convince ourselves that works. High card.
Yep.
Yay!
Perfect.
Boom! Done.
Then let's see what would be the next test to make this a bit better.
Does someone else want to have a go driving now?
Well, maybe the next improvement would be that because there can be different values of high cards. So a high card with king is better than high card with queen. So if we would change this test so that it also returns the rank of the highest card.
Yeah. I'll keep going since nobody has piped up, but I'm very happy to relinquish. Somebody else wants to go.
So this would be rank king.
Yeah.
And in Clojure, just some style examples. Okay, now when we have this kind of a map on a single line, we can make it. We can optionally add commas in between.
Okay.
So that's comma is considered white space, so it does nothing. Or then we can just put it on two separate lines. So maybe here I would use the commas. So those are maybe easy on one line.
Hey Camille, were you popping up because you'd like to drive?
Hey, I can give it a go. Sorry, I was just in a room where other people were talking, so I didn't want to put my mic on before.
No worries, you're already in there, aren't you? Cool.
Cool. Okay. So, yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Then we need to. Okay, we can still fake it that we return a hard-coded answer, but maybe we would.
Yeah.
We can do that so that we have a passing test, and then we refactor it so that the implementation is done properly.
Mm-hmm. So I guess we want to.
Yeah, so please change the implementation of evaluate hand so that it also includes the rank.
So I guess we want to decide.
Yeah, I think yeah, we will need to decide that how high. We have that list of all the ranks, so we could use that to find out that which one is the highest rank.
Okay, yeah. So I'm just trying to think. So we want to work out that the category is high card. So we're not trying to find like the highest card. Or should we find the highest card first?
Yeah, we should find the highest card.
Okay. So for all ranks, something like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is it the other way around? It's like for rank in all ranks. I don't know.
I think it should be possible for us to find as the list that what is the index of particular value.
So index of is a built-in function, is it, to get the?
Yeah, it's
okay.
It's the Java list, the index of methods from Java list. So we can call that.
How do you store things in variables?
Yeah, I'm trying to get my head around this. Okay, okay. So we want to find the index of. We want to get the hands suit, I guess. I don't even know how to do that really. So how do you get the? Can you do something like?
Why do you need the suit? Aren't we just looking at?
Because I guess we want.
See, one thing we can do is that we. I'm writing examples in this comment block. We have this list of all those hands, and then we ask them that give me all the ranks. So
you can extract.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Map.
The map operation. So in.
Oh, okay. So that's how you do a map operation. Okay. So give me all the ranks. and then I want to find the highest in that.
Yeah. So I think we will.
Is there a built-in for getting the highest?
Let's maybe sort it by something. Yes, the sort by operation.
Oh, okay. So we can sort by the ranks and then get the first one. I guess.
Or actually, we will
the last one.
We will
oh, but then
sort by list.
Not the ranks, the index in the list of the ranks, because we've also got ace, king, queen, jack. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, okay. I guess we want to do. I don't know what the
We should be better navigators. I didn't know what I was doing when I was driving.
Yes. So.
I just hard coded it.
Let me.
All right, index.
You shouldn't have to think. We can do the thinking. Hang on.
Yeah. So.
Wait, I say I can do the thinking. I'm not sure I can.
There's an example of the sort by operation.
So we've already got the map of ranks, and we're sorting by. We need to sort by index of, right?
Yeah, we need to sort by the index of. So you can create an anonymous function.
Okay, so on line
using that
32 within the bracket.
Yeah.
Can you put dot index of? I don't know what a hash is about. Dot index
this
of.
This is an anonymous. Oh, right, okay.
Okay.
All ranks, and then we want to
put the.
we want to put this inside it, I guess.
Or just the rank. We've already got the rank.
Wait.
Yeah, rank. Don't rank there. Does that work?
Yeah. Here are lines 28 and 29. Two alternative syntaxes for anonymous functions.
Say that again.
This is how you write an anonymous function.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we need to do it like that with a. Okay.
Okay, function X.
Copy.
Is that? Yeah, copy paste. Is that I feel like I'm cheating. Is that the normal way you'd do it if you wanted to like apply this to this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you might use the shorter form in this case.
Okay, and then this with the hash is the short form.
Yeah.
And then the dollar, sorry, not the dollar, the percentage sign is just take the input and put it here. Okay.
If the function takes multiple arguments, then you can use %1, %2, and so on.
Okay. Okay, so we can do this.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we need the first thing out of it. So on line 32, is there like a wait? How do you index into? No way. Or is there a dot first?
Look, you have the
get first.
Well, maybe we.
So this is sort by.
Sort that's by. Is how you type it. Without the dot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sort
by.
And then the order of the parameters is different. So what's... So in this example, the count is a function which takes a string or any collection and returns the number of items.
So this is just applying this to each of these.
Yes.
So in fact, this is already sorted. Probably this will not do anything because this has got 3, 2.
If I evaluate it, it returns C, BB, AAA because it's sorted by the length.
Oh, it's sorted. Yeah, okay, it's sorted lowest first. Okay, cool. Yeah. So we actually want. Oh yeah, we do want sorted lowest first because all ranks are highest to lowest. Okay, cool. Sort by count, I guess. Will that work?
Take this function from line 33 and move it to line 32. So swap the order of the parameters.
Oh, right. So sort by first of all takes the function you're going to sort by, and then takes the thing you apply it to, does it?
Yeah, yes.
I see, yeah. Right.
Oh, okay.
I'm kind of wishing we'd written a simpler test. Could.
Yeah, I think this
maybe
is
for the. Yeah.
Let me just a moment. I will.
I don't know what they are formatting as exactly.
I will.
Maybe we need a function that just gets the top card out of a hand.
Yeah, we could
And we
do.
can have a
Should we
test
do
for that.
a function that just says, yeah, return highest card or something?
Yeah.
Like if we did a function up here.
Oh, we can.
I'll edit it at once. This is amazing. Shall I write a test for it whilst you're doing that?
Print that value and see what it shows. Oh yeah, okay, we have the syntax error.
Only let one of us type it. I can't.
I don't think so.
It's doing that thing where it probably is only going to let me delete.
Oh no! It's weird it doesn't work for you.
It was working before.
Yeah. I'll stop typing in case that will help you.
So here, when I print whatever this returns, it
Can I delete?
it returns a list where there's
it's doing that thing.
Where those are now sorted. And
okay, what's PRN? Sorry.
It's short for print.
Oh, okay.
So
Print.
So you can see the test output in the terminal.
Sort by this function. Right.
And the function to get the first element from a list is called first.
Oh, okay, it's called first. Maybe I'll try continuing this then. Ooh.
Hey, I can type.
Yay!
This is very weird.
What did you do then to fix it?
I just tried typing a few random letters, and at first they deleted things, and then they started inserting things.
Wonderful life of eventual consistency.
Yeah. So I wanted to add a new test here. No? Test. Get highest card test. Is this unhelpful or is this helpful?
Yeah, I'm happy
Okay.
to start with that, so we can slowly build up to the more complicated one.
Okay.
Because I'm still getting my head around like the syntax and stuff anyway.
Should I maybe comment out this old test?
Or get highest rank even. Because what do we start off with? We start with the list of ranks, do we?
Yes.
So we're gonna just get like king 7 queen 4 3. 7 queen 4 3. So let's assume that it is. Can I just put king, or do I need to put rank king? Okay. Let's just try it with the simplest, which would be.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna call get highest. Well, we called it get highest card.
Yeah, no, currently we only need highest rank.
Maybe we can have another method just. Yeah, highest card from just a list of start with 7 queen 4 3. Okay. I define a list like that. It's okay. It's got commas.
Yeah. Well, you can remove the commas there. Yeah. In this case, space is looks good enough.
Okay. Okay, but is that a valid test? Just a test.
Yeah, it's a valid test.
Test ran without assertions. Right. Not at the bottom of.
Let's see.
No, expected king, actual 7.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, yeah.
Because all I've done is, my function at the moment, all it does is return the first thing.
Okay, yeah.
So instead of returning the first thing, we want to first sort this.
Yeah.
I guess we want to do what we did down here. Sort by ranks.
So the name get highest card. Okay, currently you're giving the list of ranks.
Yeah, I think that's better.
Ranks, so maybe highest rank.
Yeah, and let's call this ranks. Ah, we're both doing the same.
Oh, sorry.
No, great minds think alike.
Yeah. So instead of first ranks, we'll do this, but without getting the map the hand to the ranks. We just say
ranks.
Yeah, ranks here. I think.
Oh, that passed.
Passed.
Yay!
Hey.
Then okay, maybe at this point I can show one common way of how to write the same code.
Okay.
Because currently you see like here's function call and it called on something that is returned by this and that's called on that. So this is easier to think about that we have. We have a chain of operations that we do one after another.
Okay.
So
Because that's a bit more intuitive to write it like that.
Yeah. So
this becomes like a pipe.
Yeah. So this operator, whatever the previous expression returns, is inserted as the last argument to the next function call. So this ranks is put here last, and then whatever this return is.
What's that operator called?
It's called a threading macro.
Threading macro. Okay. I'm gonna call it the double pointy arrow.
Double pointy arrow.
Yeah.
So I guess next, do we want to do the same thing but for suits?
Then,
like get highest suit?
There is no such thing as a highest suit in poker.
Oh, okay. I don't know poker that well. Okay. Okay, cool. We don't need to do that.
I was just thinking that sounds really reasonable, and then I forgot that there is no highest suit. There is in some card games, but not in poker.
Yeah, I just don't know poker that well. That's why. Okay, cool. So we don't need that. Great. Even easier.
Yeah, I think we can
now. So is that enough to use in the evaluate hand function to then pass?
Yeah, I think it's enough to use that.
So yeah, instead of here, I guess we can do. Maybe we can
use
this
PRN mean?
Thing again. Print.
Oh, okay.
I think. So that instead of because we were just returning this. I guess without the PRN, it would just return. But we want to do map this and then this, something like this.
Yeah.
And then without this stuff.
Maybe print that value and see what it shows.
Okay, so what can I do? Like print here?
Yeah.
Expected that actually.
I think that the parentheses are a bit wrong places, so put those on new lines. Okay, this was.
Yeah, I've got this.
Okay, now it's inside.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
Test output king. So the test output is good for the rank.
Yeah, pretty okay. Currently,
But actually we got nil.
Yeah, because the function is not returning anything, or the actually the return value from print is nil or null.
Can we just
So
take
instead of it would return. So this really is get highest rank in hand, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not evaluated.
Yeah. Okay. It needs to return the category high card in this case.
Yeah, can we hard code it to high card to make it pass?
Yes, I think that.
At least that'll give us a structure.
Yeah, in this case, don't try to thread it, but just like that.
Wait, don't we need that and then comma rank is equal to the output of that?
Yeah.
Like maybe this should go up here, and then rank is that with an extra bracket. Oh, with this. I don't even know.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, let me add that. You don't have
just let Esko fix it.
Fixing all these curly braces at the end of the line, that's left for the editor.
Okay.
So no need to think about them manually. So that's now. We have a complete program.
Which is only hard coding some of it.
Yeah, it can evaluate one type of poker hand.
But it does that very well. We can have another test and check it works.
Yeah, I think we are currently out of time, so.
Oh.
So maybe next time we meet, we can implement a pair and maybe even 2 pairs.
Well, virtual high five. We did something. I hope everybody watching was entertained.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're being very quiet.
Oh yeah, let's still show those links. Like if you want to learn more about Clojure, then
Clojure for the brave and true.
Nice.
Yeah.
I feel like that was a nice jumping off point.
Yeah. So there's like the official website.
So it turns out you don't need variables. I'm still a bit blown by that. I guess you just have very small functions.
Yeah. Well, you can use.
Def is kind of a variable.
You can use variables like let me let's say like this.
Oh, okay.
Let.
And that's the same thing as before.
Right.
But
okay.
All these are immutable, so or we can redefine them, so and it doesn't change the variable. It's a new variable.
Cool.
Okay. But I think that's.
Thanks, Esko.
That's also. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's see you in the next sessions.
See you.
Cool. Thanks so much. See ya.
Bye.